Kim Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. Due to the nature of our law practice, we tend to spend a lot of time talking to people about insurance, and usually it's automobile insurance. Some of the available coverages that you will typically see in an auto insurance package are sometimes designated by a number and slash another number. So it might be 10/20 or 10,000/20,000. A lot of people don't know what this means, so I thought I would take a few minutes in this video to explain what a lot of people say is 10/20 coverage, what exactly that means. So in its most basic sense, 10/20 means 10,000/20,000. And it usually refers to bodily injury liability coverage. Bodily injury liability coverage is that optional coverage that people in Florida can buy to protect them in case they get involved in an accident that they've caused and that they've injured somebody else. This 10/20 is insurance money available to pay the other person that you've injured. Under the rules in Florida, a 10/20 bodily injury liability policy means that the insurance company will pay a maximum of $10,000 to any one injured person involved in an accident, and the insurance company will never pay more than $20,000 total to any and all people who were involved in an accident. So let me run through some examples that will hopefully explain it a little bit better. So let's say that you are driving your car, you injure somebody, and there's two people in the car, and each person is fairly significantly injured. If you have a 10/20 bodily injury liability policy on your car, that means your insurance company will pay the maximum of $10,000 to each of those people. Now let's assume that there are three people in the other car, and you drive your car into them, cause them to be injured. So this makes things a little bit trickier in terms of what the insurance company's obligations are and what they need to do for you. So under a 10/20 policy, that means that any of those three people, the most that any of them can get individually is $10,000. But the maximum that your insurance company is going to pay is $20,000. So that means that the injury claims might be divided 6,666 per person, or it might be 10,000 for one person, 5,000 for another, and 5,000 for another, or any combination thereof. But it's the insurance company's obligation to try to get the case settled and try to get you out of the case. So many times when we have a situation like that, there's a group settlement meeting and the insurance company haggles with each person and their attorneys and tries to get the case settled. So that's under a 10/20 policy. I've also, in addition to 10/20 policies, I've also seen 25/50 policies and 50/100 policies and 250/500. Of course, 250/500 means, again, $250,000 to any one person, $500,000 total for the accident. So that's how it breaks down. 10/20 policy is the lowest I've ever seen. I've never seen anything smaller than that. So typically, if you're involved in an accident and that's what you have, then hopefully that'll be enough to get the case resolved to everyone's satisfaction. The problem in Florida, however, is a lot of people drive around without any liability coverage at all. So instead of 10/20, it's just zero. And that's when people can run into problems, particularly when if you get hit by someone who has no insurance, there may be no recourse against that other person if they don't have any assets or any money. That's why we always insist that people shop for uninsured motorist coverage. And I'm going to leave a link to a different video that I've shot that explains all the reasons that you should have uninsured motorist coverage. I'll try to put the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video and then in the description below as well. So if you have any questions regarding automobile coverage after a Florida car crash, please reach out to us. We are happy to answer your questions. Our number at the office is 407-254-4901. You can always text us at 407-644-4444, or you can even message us on the Facebook app.